Welcome back, guys. Steve, Almetal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Periscope, it's great. Nice little property today. Get a call from a homeowner. They just had to replace their heating element. The technician said, you need to have this vent checked out. So that's why I'm here. Let's start with an airflow reading. Pow. All right, let's start out. And you guys can see the dryer is on. I don't know if you can see it barely twitching. All right. All right. Why is that? Now it focused. Oh my gosh. 216.5. All right. Because we've got to be able to beat that. I want y'all to watch. You'll start to see this stuff fly farther and farther out, the more of the clog I get. I think I know why they turned out their heating element. I'm still not getting the airflow that I need. So I don't know if you can see that. All right, I'm gonna go put some high powered air through it, and we'll see what happens. All right, I got that blower running still. Let's go see what we see. You know that's coming through. All right, while that's running, I'm gonna try running this brush through again. I'd say, and there's all this is the big clot that it blew out with the blower. I know one thing, we got to be able to beat 200 and whatever. So I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna trim down a bunch of that flex, and then we're gonna come out here and test this airflow again. Look, our bar is so low, we don't have much to beat, whatever. All right, so I'd say that's better. Now. All right. Let's go see what kind of airflow we working with. I know it's gonna be better. It can't 236. I don't know how you I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it's better. Let's see. Yeah, I'd say it's better. Now to get all this stuff up. Jeez, man. All right, from what, 236 to hitting 1200, not bad. Steve, Almetal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my periscope. It takes the place of that nasty flex hose behind your dryer. Either way, check it out.